I was thinking originally about getting the Beta 125 two-stroke, but problem is that bike is almost as expensive as getting a you know, one of the others, 250, 300. Like, what? It must be for a series of racing, because I don't see why on earth that would even be an option with the pricing. So it's so close to the 200, and I know guys that have the 200 and they're like, yeah, this bike's perfect. When I do get a new two-stroke, my main thing is going to be like, what accessories are out for it? Because I want a larger tank from the get-go for my exploring. Hopefully still can get plates for them, you know, because you need them to connect trails. It would be nice if the state of Colorado offered like a limited like plate, where by limited I mean we like you could get it for that type of bike, but it means mainly like for connecting trail systems. So on certain roads, like maybe county roads, or you know, you can't be on interstates, or I'd be okay even technically if you couldn't be on like more main roads. You know, maybe it's speed limited, so whatever the road is, like maybe you can't go on anything over 45 miles an hour. Okay, I'd be okay with that. Connect from my house to Mount Herman just to play on some of the side Jeep trails is, you know, 45 would do just fine. But that way, pretty much you could use it anywhere, as long as you're not getting on something that's too quick. Now the problem is you get a county that doesn't like OHVs and changes their speed limit on purpose from 45 to 50, so they can be like, oh, now you can't come on here. That's the only downside. You know, there'd be somewhere would do that because, well, they're just a-holes, you know. That was horse poop. Oh, I hope no horse. I don't see hoof prints, so it might be old. Just doesn't seem like a place I'd bring a horse. Well, it's motorized, and there's mountain bikes, and there's hikers. It's just like, you know, there's plenty of trails motorized can't go on. See, a lot of times the horse people their horses get finicky because, oh, it's a motor, and that's why they say cut the engine, blah blah blah, and it's just like, what? Yeah, I got waved to go slower. Oh, that was nice and easy. Used to, no matter how you went, had to kind of go up something. So you rode it away. See, this trail is still quite new since they dozed it, so, you know, give a trail 10 years and we'll see what the real obstacles are. Unless they continually come out here with the trail dozer to, you know, straighten things out or flatten or whatever. It doesn't actually take me long to do a loop. Problem is, because I didn't drive down, I gotta ride back home, and it just takes longer on the back roads because I can't at all jump on the interstate. Oh. Huh. They put the marker in 2010. Or at least that's when they redid the survey. This monument was located as part of an official land survey. It helps define land ownership lines. I don't know if that means there's a piece of something here. Could be. Could be. You know, these trees aren't that old. But if you look at the old pictures of around here, these hills were all stripped back in the day. Most areas were like that. They were stripped because think of all the wood that was needed for houses and construction, this and that, you know. It's a little bit snappier in first. Let's see. No, you have to be just right. Kind of have to. Preloading the suspension works better. Still kind of hero dirt up here at the top, so which is nice. Now what you don't want to do is be out here when it's pouring down rain. You'll be amazed at how much water channels down these, and also how much water channels like just down the Jeep roads. It's just like, you know, a river. It's amazing. I've been out a bunch over my years. We get caught out in a downpour and everything is just trick of going up stuff a little bit like that back there is don't stop and think about it. Just keep on the steady on the gas and keep that momentum. Doesn't have to be crazy momentum, just momentum, and steady on the gas, and you will climb right up. But if you get to something and stop and think about it, that's where we all mess up. A lot of this isn't thinking. It's last minute, like, I'll just put the tire there. And just committing. So when they say commit, that's what they mean. Don't try a last second change stuff up. Don't be like, oh my God, twig, ah! You know, I mean, sometimes you can do that in the right circumstance, but you can't do that all the time. I'm kind of taking a break by sitting. Whew. Exposure spot you don't want to go down. Woohoo. Let's see what the altitude is. User odometer. I got 36 miles on right now because of my ride from home. I should have probably got gas, but I should be good. Let's see, altitude, 10,282-ish feet. Not bad, not bad.